Hi everyone, Donut here. This is going to be kind of a shorter video, but I just wanted to put it out because I've received hundreds of messages from you guys asking me about it. Like most videos you see on my channel, this is going to be pretty visually disturbing, a little extra than most of the time. What had happened was Tucson, a 61-year-old man in a scooter wheelchair thingy stole a toolbox from Lowe's. An off-duty officer on a security assignment at the Lowe's approached the 61-year-old man and asked for his receipt to verify if he had purchased the toolbox. The guy pulled out a knife and said, "This is your receipt," and then took off high-speed chase through the parking lot. The officer follows behind him, tries to defuse the situation, and nothing's working. At one point, the officer asked for the knife, and the guy replied with, "If you want it, you'll have to shoot me." Not good. You know, I always look at police incidents, especially shootings, where, you know, put yourself in the officer's shoes and you might see why they did what they did. This isn't really one of those. I think this officer severely fucked up. What happens next is something that could have been easily avoidable. So the guy does a circle around the parking lot and starts to go back inside the Lowe's. I can understand the officer not wanting the guy brandishing a knife to go back into Lowe's where there's a crowd. I also understand that knives are deadly weapons, and you know I'm a huge proponent on shooting people who threaten you with a knife. If the guy had a gun in his hand, I'd shoot him too. Remember that one video I did a while back of the wheelchair guy getting shot and everyone was mad, and I showed you that, yeah, people in wheelchairs with guns are still deadly too. This guy doesn't look like he's going anywhere too fast. He doesn't look like he's very quick on his feet. So the officer shoots him 9 times in the back. That escalation of force took a big jump. You don't usually go from verbal commands to shooting someone 9 times in the back unless it's absolutely necessary. There's all these handy dandy tools on your belt for situations like this. Baton. And I usually don't backseat quarterback, but this is kind of fucking stupid. I don't know, whack him in the arm with your baton a couple times. And I know you're not supposed to do this, but take that baton and smack him in the head. Technically, as per most departments, that's deadly force too, but I think it's beats shooting him in the back 9 times. And what was that last shot too, man? He just had to make sure the job was done. I don't know, like use your taser or pepper spray, or you know, just kick him the fuck over. Anything but this. Like if a broom or a rake fell over in his path, that would have ended the situation. If you couldn't guess already, the guy died. The officer was fired from his department, and I don't see anything about him being charged at the moment. Anyways, let me know what you think about this in the comments below. I'm getting back into the grind, so I should have some more videos coming out this week. If you want to help support the channel, head over to Bunker Branding. The Christmas sweaters are out. They're pretty rad. And also subscribe to my second channel, Donut Vloggerator. I'm this close to doing that 30-day vlog challenge where I release a vlog every single day. Other than that, everyone please have a fantastic day.